Oh, hey everybody, it's me, Bill Birds, and this is the Bill Bird Show. Today's show is brought to you by the John Birds Real Estate Show.
Hi, this is John Birds. You want to sell your house? Call the number on the screen. You got a house to sell? I'm your guy. Dial this number right now. Dial the number on the screen.
I've got John Birds on the phone. How are you, John?
I'm great, Bill.
Hey, John, have you ever thought much about your own ancestry and where they come from and what we once called home?
What are you talking about? What do you mean, home? Hey, I thought this was about...
John, I don't mean to change the subject, but have you received any communications from home?
Are we talking about real estate or are we talking about telepathy? Let's stay on topic.
Oh, sorry, John. Just trying to give you a heads up. Thanks again for sponsoring the show, John Birds Realty. Thanks, everybody, and we'll see...